Hey meow, a tiny soul so bright, curled in corners hiding from light. Eyes that shimmer, heart so deep, dreams she guards while falling asleep. Hey meow, why do you cry? Purring softly under the sky, looking for love in every sound. Still no arms, no home you found. Once she played in someone's arms, now she walks through silent farms. Raindrops kiss her little fur, but she still hopes for love for her. Her bowl is bare, but not her heart. She's a masterpiece, a quiet art. She never speaks, but feels it all. A gentle soul in a world so tall. Hey meow, a name so sweet, every step so brave, so neat. A kitten's tale the world ignored, but she's a hero, soft and adored.